How to fix the Snapchat not working with Bluetooth headphones. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to fix the Snapchat not working with Bluetooth headphones. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to long press on Snapchat app icon and tap on the I button. This will lead you to the app info page of Snapchat. You need to simply scroll down and tap on Stories Users, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, tap on Permissions option and make sure that you have allowed all the permissions. If not, tap on Location and tap on Allow Come Back and do the same for nearby devices as well. Make sure the microphone and the camera option has been turned on. Come back, and once done, you simply need to ensure Bluetooth also enabled on your phone. If it is still not working by turning Bluetooth on, you simply need to once turn Bluetooth off and turn it back on. Once you have done that, if the issue persists, you simply need to go back to the main settings screen, tap on Bluetooth and make sure your headphones are connected properly to your phone. This should help fix the issue with the Snapchat not working with Bluetooth headphones. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.